Hi there. Today on Just the Tip, I'm going to show you how to do a something. Hi there. Today on Just the Tip, I'm going to show you how to do an easy 4-product. Hi there. Today on Just the Tip, I'm going to show you how to do an easy 4-product glowy monochromatic makeup look. For this look, I'm going to use concealer, tinted moisturizer, a cream cheek and lip tint, and mascara. So I'm going to start by blending a tinted moisturizer across my entire face to even out my skin tone. I really like the sheer glowing coverage that a tinted moisturizer offers, especially for the summer. Next, I'm going to add a bit of concealer anywhere I want a bit more coverage and to brighten up my complexion. So you can use a brush for this, but for personal use, quite honestly, with your cream products, sometimes it's easier to use your finger as it warms up the product as you're applying it, making it easier to move. Now that I've evened out my skin tone, it's time to add some color in with this peach-toned cream cheek and lip tint. Now the neat thing about a product like this is that you can actually even use it on your eyes. So I'm just going to dip my finger in the product and blend across my lid and into my crease. Of course, you could use a brush for this as well, but much like the concealer, I love the way that your finger just warms up the product and makes it a little bit easier to move. Next, we have our cheeks. So we'll just follow our cheekbone down around the apple. And of course, we'll add just a little bit of color to our lips as well. Last but not least, I'm going to add a bit of mascara to define my lashes. And there you have it, an easy 4-product glowy monochromatic makeup look.